Introduction. In this day and age, it has become a common and accepted practice to unleash one's tongue and use it in the incorrect way. The ultimate loser of this attitude is the speaker, even if they obtain worldly things through this behavior. A narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7482, warns that a person may utter a word which they deem insignificant, but it will cause them to sink into hell, further than the distance between the east and west of this world. It is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3973, that words are the main cause of people entering hell. It is clear from the Holy Quran that each word a person utters is recorded and they will be held accountable for it on the Day of Judgment. Chapter 50 Kaf, verse 18.
He, i.e., man utters no word except that with him is an observer prepared to record.
This should make it clear to all the significance of the words they speak, and the importance of constantly keeping their tongue in check. This is not possible to achieve without knowledge. Therefore, this book will discuss the different dangers of the tongue and how to avoid them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.